Okay, here we are on the porch, and Levi's put a pinwheel, a flower pinwheel up there, so it's spinning while it goes around. And Levi got something in the mail. It's Freddy, and he's holding his own balloon basketball. Hello, Freddy. All right, let me see if I can do a spin down. Levi's got his stick there going, so I don't know. Levi, can we have a spin down so you can have it on your video? And there's the double spin down, one for the pinwheel, one for the ceiling fan. Bye, Freddy. Bye.